Graphing. A diagram that exhibits a relationship, often functional, between two sets of numbers as a set of points having coordinates determined by the relationship. A diagram of values, usually shown as line or bars. That is what a graph is. Graphs are useful because they help us get a visual representation of information. In addition, graphs also help us to understand data fast. For instance, when you want to make a comparison, show a relationship, or highlight a trend, graphs help you understand fast. Where do I put the information? On a data table. What is a data table? Why should I use it? Using the data table to record your results is easier than trying to remember, and it organizes the information you've gathered. If you record your findings in a table, the data is already collected into groups, and you will not need to group it later on. For example, to investigate the most popular color car passing your house, it is easier to mark in one of the 5 columns and to write red, blue, silver, red, other, black, etc. If you use a chart, you can note down the color of the cars as they pass and find the total frequencies at the end of the period. Let's practice. Sam went on a camping trip, which lasted Monday until Friday. While he was camping, he went fishing. The table shows how many fish he caught and which day he caught them. This information can be represented on a bar graph. Here we have a data table. On Monday, Sam caught 5 fish. Tuesday, he caught 3, Wednesday, 8, Thursday, 2, and Friday, 1. What does a graph look like? What do I do with it? Collect your data. After you have it all in one place, you should have one independent variable, like time, and one dependent variable, like something you measure as a function of time. This is a graph. The y-axis, or the blue axis, is where you're going to put the number of fish, and the red line, or the x-axis, is where you're going to put the days of the week. The blue line is the dependent variable, and the red line is the independent variable. This is a bar graph. The blue line is the y-axis, and the red line is the x-axis. Along the x-axis, I have labeled Monday through Friday, and on the y-axis, I have the number of fish caught on each day. You will see that on Monday, he caught 5 fish, and that is how big the bar will be, and you will continue that on. Now you try. See if you can make a graph and graph the information you have gathered.